Recording.
Hi guys, what's up, my man? Here we go again. Yeah, baby. Yeah, guys, check this out. Check this out. A very new platform that it is in BNB. Yes, it is in BNB, guys, meaning it is a very good system. And then what I mean is a very good crypto. Yes, it's because it is in BNB, and this is BNB Hives. BNB Hive, guys. I think it is partnered with Hamsterbank. Anyway, if you have seen my previous video, Hamsterbank is a very good platform in Telegram, mini app, and it is a money printer. And let's check this BNB Hive. I will start. Actually, it's my first time also to check this out. So it is a review. So let's check if how BNB works. And actually, I will start to invest here right now. So as you can see, all my videos are live, no cut, no edit, because I am very transparent to all my viewers. Guys, this is passive income cash flow. Just a reminder, this video is not a financial advice. This video is only for entertainment, education, and self-awareness as well. Okay, here we go. Let's start. Start playing now. Collect free wax from the first seconds of the game. Wow. Get a 5% bonus for the beekeepers. Gather them all together. Okay. Turnover. So we have now 742.37 turnover of BNB. Players 534. Bees purchase 39,439. Won 128.43. Hive leader 94. Okay, Beehive is a play to earn simulator of the economic model of a beehive. Live the big adventure of a beekeeper. You can try yourself as a beekeeper, developing your hive, acquiring different breeds of bees, and conducting improvements in the production process, getting real profit for it. Wow, wow, we 1 BNB is equals to 10,000. What? Wait. 1 million beehive. Oh, I think this adventure. Airdrop B is for free. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's play. Click the play button. Then, actually, again, this is live, no edit. Okay, no edit, no cut, because all of my videos are live. I want to be transparent, guys. I want to be transparent to all of you. It is very transparent. Come on. Anyway, my MetaMask is loading as usual. Waiting. Okay, how to start? How to start? How to start? Top up. I think this is okay, top. I have 0 BNB. I need to top up. Am I connected already or not yet? Wait. Am I connected or not yet? Let's check. Come on, MetaMask. Where is the connected? Uh-huh. Bear with me, guys, because this is live and there's no cut and no edit. All my videos are live. There you go. I'm already connected. So I think I will click top up. And what's next? How to top up, my man? Come on. I haven't watched any. So Bee Garden, Super Red. Well, let's go to homepage. Guys, this is the good thing, guys, all of my videos, because all of my videos are live. So there's no hiding. It's very transparent. So play and then network in your life is not supported. Please switch network to be. Okay. Not that one. I will use MetaMask. That's why. That is why. Okay, use MetaMask. Come on. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Am I not in BNB? I think I am in BNB. Let's review. Let's check. Okay. So for the beginners, you can learn from here because there's no cut, no edit. You will know how to troubleshoot, how to check as well. Come on, MetaMask. The only challenge here is my connection because it's very fast. Okay, okay, go there. There you go. There you go. Confirm. Ding, 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 ding. I am now connecting. Enter your invites wallet address. Your invites wallet address. Okay, start. Okay, guys. Anyway, I will put the link on my description below so you can also start and enjoy the benefits. Yeah, my MetaMask is loading. Just click the link on my description so you can also start, guys. There you go. There you go. There you go. See, all of my videos are live. There you go. How much BNB I will put? How many available? Okay, I'm 0.19. Okay. So 0.19, maybe 0.15 is okay. Up to 150. Come on. How many? How many? Why is not working? Point, let's say 0. If 0.70, let's say 0.70. So I have 0. The remaining will be 0, 2. 0. Okay, 0.02. Oops, 0. I think 0.15 is okay. So the remaining will be 0.04. Okay, that's okay for me. At 150,000. Okay, that's okay. And then what's next, guys? Bye. There you go. I am now buying. I am now buying, guys. I'm buying wax here in BNB Hives. Okay, so as a start, I am buying using my BNB with 0.15 BNB to buy 150,000 wax. And passively, we will earn. I don't know how much. I think 3.32. Let's check how many wax I will earn daily. Okay, click confirm. Yeah, baby. Yeah, expect a successful transaction to be added to the blockchain. There, okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Balance successfully replenished by 150,000 wax. Okay, okie dokie. Where is my wax here? There you go, 150,500. And then, so I am earning right now how many wax per day? Wait, I need to screenshot. I forgot to screenshot. There's instruction here in Telegram of your bees and send it to the Beehive. Okay. Okay, I will screenshot this one. See, even the screenshot, I will screenshot and send it later. Okay. So how many wax airdrop, 500 airdrop, be collected by a bee. I don't know. 150,000 wax. Okay. Buy a bee. Unlock. To unlock this one. Uh-huh. Mhm. I think 150,000. 150,000. Why is not? You can buy the maximum 32 bees. Wait. How about this one? Unlock. Profit 100 profit per hour. There you go. Okay. Flat. Okay. Okay. Got it, guys. I think I will buy this one because I have 150,000. So I can, there you go. Buy a B. Unlock. There we go. Buy a B. It's better. Okay, buy for 150,000. Yeah. 32. 32. Not enough max. Then I need to buy a B. Okay. Uh-huh. So anyway, guys, at least you are learning and you can see the live. It's really a live review, no edit, no cut. So I think I don't know where I am, what category. Anyway, this is just easy. I will just read it. Okay, for any concern or questions, just write it down on the comment below because I am sure after I am done with this, I will already know it. As you can see from here, the video, you can see how it works, guys. How it works. No changes. Not enough wax and honey to buy a bee. So let's reject this one because not enough. It's just not enough. About this one, 235. Because 1.2. So this 1.2, I only have 150. How about this one? 600,000. How about this one? There you go. So I will buy this, unlock this one. And where's the click? Come on. How to start? Okay. Anyway, guys. I think we will start here. You can buy the maximum of 32 piece. 32. Okay, see? It's so cheap. It's so cheap, guys. It's so cheap. Collected 500. Okay. The 500 is bonus. Okay. Okie dokie. And come on, man. My MetaMask is kind of loading. So anyway, I think I need to end though. Anyway, guys, this BNB Hives. So it's a live review and I will create another video. As you can see, I just bought worth 150,000 worth of wax and I have a 500 wax of free airdrop. And yes, this is exciting. It is exciting. Anyway, it is partnered with Hamsterbank, and based from my experience, Hamsterbank is a very good platform. Hamsterbank. If you want to start, if you haven't started it yet, just check my previous video and check my description. It will be there. The Hamsterbank in Toncoin. So it's a money printer, really a money printer. And Hamsterbank has a promo today, starting December 6 to December 9. There will be a new meme token releasing from your ton from your account on Hamsterbank. Okay, so I will create another video for that to be specific and direct. Okay, guys, for any questions, just write it down on the comment below. Stop the hate, stop the pride, stop the ego. Like, comment, and subscribe. This is Passive Income Cash Flow for the DeFi update. See you on my next video. Ta-ta.